Class 12, Chapter number 16, Semiconductor Devices. Half wave rectifier, full wave rectifier. Answers as per board's model answers. Question 1. What is rectifier? With the help of neat circuit diagram, explain the working of a half wave rectifier. हाफ वेव्ह रेक्टिफायर या प्रश्नाचे उत्तर हे 4 भागांमध्ये द्यायचे आहे. पहिल्या भागामध्ये रेक्टिफायर म्हणजे काय हे सांगायचे आहे. इट कॅरीज हाफ मार्क. दुसऱ्या भागामध्ये हाफ वेव्ह रेक्टिफायरची डायग्राम. इट कॅरीज 1 मार्क. तिसऱ्या भागामध्ये इनपुट आउटपुट वेव्हफॉर्म्स. इट कॅरीज 1 मार्क. आणि चौथ्या भागामध्ये कन्स्ट्रक्शन आणि वर्किंग सांगायचे आहे. अँड इट कॅरीज 1.5 मार्क. Now let's see what is rectifier. Answer: an electronic circuit or device which converts AC signal into DC signal is called rectifier. This is the diagram of half wave rectifier. Here D is the diode, RL is the load resistance, P1 P2 are the transformer primary windings, S1 S2 are the transformer secondary windings. Input and output waveforms are as shown in the figure. Construction and working. Construction आणि वर्किंग या भागातील उत्तर हे प्रामुख्याने 3 मुद्द्यांमध्ये विभागलेले आहे. पहिल्या मुद्द्यामध्ये पॉझिटिव्ह हाफ सायकलला डायोड कसा वर्क होतो, दुसऱ्या मुद्द्यामध्ये निगेटिव्ह हाफ सायकलला डायोड कसा वर्क होतो आणि तिसऱ्या मुद्द्यामध्ये कन्क्लुजन सांगायचे आहे. So let us discuss the construction and working in detail. Construction. First, an AC signal which is to be rectified is applied across the primary of transformer. Second, the secondary of the transformer is connected in series with diode D and load resistance RL. And third, output is taken across the RL. Now working. For positive half cycle of AC input, point A is positive with respect to point B. Therefore, diode is forward biased and conduct. It works as closed switch and current flows through diode D and load resistance RL. For negative half cycle of AC input, point A is at negative potential with respect to point B. Diode becomes reverse biased and does not conduct. It works as open switch and no current flows through the circuit. Thus, diode conducts only in positive half cycles of the AC input. Current always flows through load resistance RL in the same direction for alternate positive half cycles. Hence, DC output voltage obtained across load resistance RL is in the form of alternate pulses. Efficiency of half wave rectifier is 40.6%. Now question number 2. What is rectification? Explain the working of a full wave rectifier with a neat diagram. The marking scheme of this question is same as the question number 1. So let's see what is rectification. Answer: rectification is the process of converting alternating current or voltage into a direct current or voltage. Diagram of full wave rectifier. Center tap transformer with terminals A, C and B. P1, P2 are the transformer primary windings. S1, S2 are the transformer secondary windings. D1 and D2 are the two diodes and RL is the load resistance. Input-output waveforms are as shown in the figure. Construction and working. Construction. First, AC signal which is to be rectified is applied across the primary of transformer. Second, S1 and S2 are connected to anodes of diode D1 and D2 respectively. Load resistance RL connected between the common cathodes and center tap C of the secondary of the transformer. DC output is taken across load resistance RL. Working. For positive half cycle of AC input signal, point A is positive with respect to point C and point B is negative with respect to point C. Therefore, diode D1 is forward biased and D2 is reverse biased. Current flows through diode D1, load resistance RL and upper half windings of transformer secondary. This current produces DC voltage across load resistance RL. For negative half cycle, point B is positive with respect to point C and point A is negative with respect to point C. Therefore, diode D2 is forward biased and D1 is reverse biased. The current flows through diode D2, load resistance RL and lower half windings. This current produces DC output voltage across load resistance RL. Thus, for both half cycles, current in load resistance RL flows in same direction, that is from M to N. Since current flows through load resistance RL for full cycle of the applied AC, it is called full wave rectifier. Efficiency of full wave rectifier is 81.2% and output frequency is 2 times input frequency. Thank you so much. Please press the bell icon for further notification and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.